Hi dears, welcome to math class. Our topic is solving all problems, part 2. Before in previous lesson we discussed about the word problems, but because the word problem is very important, we should solve a little bit more examples of the word problems to become more clear. Now we consider a number. Consider a number in our mind. Then what we do, we multiply the considered number with 2. We add those two numbers. It means that the number and the number that multiplied by the 2, we add those two numbers together, and then we add 7 to it. The result is 31. Find the number. Now we consider what is the considered number? Suppose the considered number is x. Now twice of the considered number, or 2 times the considered number, or the considered number times 2 is 2x. Now if we add the number that is x with the twice of the number that is 2x, and the result of these two, we add 7 with it, the result become 31. Now we simplify this one. X plus 2x is equal to 3x. Is equal to 31. We bring positive 7 to the right side. It changed to negative minus 7. Now from here, 3x is equal to 31 minus 7 become 24. Just we want to know what is the x. Because of that, to remove the 3 or the constant from the left side of the x, we multiply both sides by, we divide both sides by 3. Now 3 reduced to the 3, here remaining x. X is equal to 24 divided by 3 is x. What is the x? X is the considered number. The considered number is x. Now we test that is this true or not, is correct or not. No. The number that is x, that is 8 plus twice of the number. 8 times 2 is 16 plus 7. That's equal to 7 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 8, 21. Remaining 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Number plus the twice of the number plus the 7 is equal to 13. Now we know that our answer is correct. The x is now consider number. For example, the next number x, we can consider that way y or any number, any unknown. Twice of that one, 2x. Now we add these two numbers, x plus 2, and add 7 with it. The result becomes 31. It gave us an equation. We solve the equation. X plus 2x is 3x is equal to 31. And positive go to the right, carry to the right side, become negative. 3x is equal to 24. 31 minus 7, 24. we divide both sides by the 3, x is equal to 8. That's 8 plus 16 plus 7 is equal to 31. So this, the answer for this example is correct. Another example, divide 180 into 2 parts such that 1/3 of one part is 18 more than 1/4 of the other part. Now you suppose that part 1, you think the part 1 is x and the part 2 is 180 minus x. Means that we divide 180 into two parts. At one part, 1/3 of one part is 18 more than 1/4 of the other part. Now we make an equation for this. 1/3 of one part means 1/3 of x is equal to 1/4 of the other part, that is 180 minus x. Plus 18. Means that if you add 18 with the 1/3 of the other part, it gives us 1/4 of the other one part, it gives us 1/3 of the another part. Now from here, 1/3 x is equal to 1/4 is divisible by can be multiplied by inside this parenthesis. 1/4 times 180, it becomes 45. You know this one from previous lessons. Positive times negative is negative. 1/4 times x, 1/4 x plus 18. From here, 1/3 x, we bring the 1/4 also to the left side, become plus 1/4 x. All the numbers with the unknown or with the variable with the x to the left side of the equality is equal to 45 plus 18. Now we get the common denominator of this. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 times 1x is 4x. 4x plus 12 divided by 4 is 3x is equal to 45 plus 18 becomes 63. From here, 3 plus 4 is 7x over 12 is equal to 63. To remove the 7 over 12 from the side of from the left side of the x, we multiply both sides. 7 over 12 x times 12 over 7 is equal to 63. 12 over 7 times 63. The numerator of 63 is 1. 1, 7, 9, 7. Now here 7 cancelled with 7, 12 with 12. Here remaining x. X is equal to 12 times 9, 108. What is x? X is part 1. Part 1, that is equal to part 1. Part 1 or x is equal to 108. Now what is the part 2? Part 2 is equal to 180 minus 108, that is equal to 72. It means that the part 1 is 108, one part is 108, and the other part is 72. If you add 108 with the 72, it becomes 180. Do that. Divide 180 into two parts such that 1/3 of part 1 is 18 more than 1/4 of the other part, or part 2. Part 1 is equal to x, part 2 is 180 minus x. We make from here 1/3 of x is equal to 1/4 of second one, that is 180 minus x plus 18. Now we simplify that one. 1 over 3 x is, we multiply this one with the 180 and x. It become 180 divided by 4 is 45 minus 1 over 4x plus 18. Now 1 over 3x, we bring the minus 1 over 4 from right side to left side, become positive. 1 over 4 is equal to 45 plus 18. Now we take common denominator for that, and this, then reduce this one. X become 180 in the part 1, and the other part is 180 minus x, that is 72. One part is 108 and the other part is 100. Well, the other part is 72. If you add both, they become 180. Now another example. A is 24 years older than B. 10 years ago, age of A was 5 times the age of B. How old are they right now? So now the present age of A, or the age of the A now, is X, and the age of B is X minus 24, because he's 24 years. The A is 24 years older, and this 24 years smaller. Then 10 years ago, the age of A was X minus 10. And 10 years ago, the age of B was X minus 24, present age, minus 10. That is equal to X minus 34. Present age of A is equal to X. Present age of B is X minus 24. Age of A 10 years ago or 10 years back was X minus 10. And age of B, X minus 24 minus 10, that is equal to X minus 34. Now 10 years ago, it means that the age of A was 5 times the age of B. Means that age of A, that is X minus 10, was equal to 5 times the age of B and 10 years ago. That was x minus 34. Now we get our next equation. We simplify this one. X minus 10 is equal to 5 times x is 5x minus 5 times 34, 20 minus 170. Now we bring all the x this side. X minus 5x is equal to minus or negative 170, and we bring the negative 10 from the left to right, become positive 10. So x minus 5x become minus 4x. Minus 4x is equal to minus 170, and positive 10 become minus 160. Now we divide both sides by minus 4. This one also minus 4. Minus 4 cancelled with the minus 4. Here remaining x. X is equal to negative divided by negative is positive 40. X is equal to 40. What is x? X the present age of A. Now what is the present age of B? That is B is equal to B. That's equal to A. B is equal to 40, that is x minus 24 is equal to 16. Now B is 16 years old and A is equal to, now B is 16 years old and A is 40 years old. 10 years back he was 30 and he was 6. 6 times 5 is equal to 30. Thank you for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video with your family and friends, and please press the notification bell to get for more videos. Have a wonderful and great days and nights. Bye bye.